This is an unboxing of the Taotronics Selfie Ring light and tripod. And so we are going to open this up and just check out what comes inside the box. And there you have it there. All right, so we have a whole separate box with the adjustable tripod stand. So I'll take a look at that in a second. Get your thank you stuff. Get your Taotronics manual. Just going to tell you, all the stuff you need to know about how to use the selfie ring light. And then you get the light itself. This is the light. Take that out of the bag there. And you can see it's got the threads for your standard tripod threads. And it has threads on top too, so you can put something in the center there. You've got this pretty long USB cord. And then you've got your controls here, on, off, plus and minus to increase, decrease the light, I'm going to assume. And then your button in the middle, and that's probably to go through the different light modes, because there's 3 different light modes, types of light that this will produce. So that is going to be to do that. Let's take a look at what else is in here. Got so this looks like it's to hold your phone, and probably it's made to clip onto the tripod stand, around the tripod stand ring, and move it around, and so you can have your phone on there. Yeah, that pulls out and holds your phone. And you have this one. And well, that's cool. So this is a bendable, so you can bend it however you want it. And then that can screw into any standard tripod mount, but including the one obviously that's on the inside of the selfie ring, so that you can then mount your phone inside of the selfie ring. And you've got the way to do that, and you've got your tightener with your ball joint, so you can position it how you need it to be positioned. And then you've got a little remote control. So this is Bluetooth. If you connect this to your phone, you've got Camera 360 iOS and Android, so you can use that to remotely start recording or stop recording on your phone. And it's got an on-off switch on there to control it. So that is the device itself and what comes in the box. And then let's take a look at what comes in that box. And you've got this box. And this is like a whole separate product. It's your tripod stand. And it has a nice carrying case that it comes in. Got the Taotronics logo on there. Pull that out. And looks like it's basically just your full service tripod. You've got your jointed head and pivot in a million different ways. You can down, back and forth. You can tighten, loosen. Tighten, loosen that for that to go up, or put that. Stretches out there. It's smaller. It's a smaller tripod in terms of it's not thick, but as far as height goes, you've got 3 levels here, so that gets pretty darn high. Pretty impressive for something so small. I think it's pretty darn high. But yeah, so anyway, since this is just an unboxing, that is what comes in the box. You've got your tripod. You've got your different mounts for different ways to mount phones to the tripod and the selfie light. You've got your remote control, and you've got the selfie light itself, which goes on top of the tripod, and you've got your controls to control it. And that is everything that comes in the box.